Hey everyone, it's so good to be here with you. Welcome to your go-to guide for natural skin and beauty tips. Today, we're diving deep into the world of DIY beauty. We're going to unlock nature's most potent secrets. Simple, practical remedies that can enhance your beauty naturally. And the best part? We'll be making them together, right here, right now. If you're tired of harsh chemicals and expensive products, then you're in the right place. Get ready to pamper yourself with the goodness of nature. Let's dive in. Our first DIY creation is a simple yet incredibly effective hydrating facial mist. This mist is like a tall glass of water for your skin, instantly refreshing and plumping it up. And it's so easy to make. We'll start with rose water, a natural toner that helps balance the skin's pH and reduce redness. You can find pure rose water at most health food stores. The scent alone is so calming and uplifting. Next, we'll add aloe vera gel, a magical ingredient known for its soothing and hydrating properties. Aloe vera is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. Combine equal parts rose water and aloe vera gel in a spray bottle. Give it a good shake. And voila! Your very own hydrating facial mist is ready. Spritz it on your face throughout the day for a refreshing boost of hydration. Let's treat our skin to a luxurious homemade face mask that will leave it feeling incredibly soft, nourished, and radiant. This mask is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, all from natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. The star of our mask is a ripe banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin. They're also loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps to brighten the complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. To boost the nourishing power of our mask, we'll add a dollop of raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant, just like aloe vera, so it helps to draw moisture to the skin. It's also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, making it great for acne-prone skin. Simply mash a ripe banana until smooth, add a tablespoon of honey, and mix well. Apply this creamy concoction to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 minutes, allowing the nutrients to penetrate your skin. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, supple, and deeply nourished. Exfoliation is key to achieving a healthy, radiant complexion. It helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and allow your skincare products to penetrate deeper. And guess what? You can make an incredibly effective exfoliating scrub right at home with just 2 simple ingredients. First up, we have ground coffee. Coffee is a natural exfoliant thanks to its slightly coarse texture. It also contains caffeine, which can help to temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite and give your skin a more toned look. We'll be combining our coffee grounds with coconut oil, a deeply nourishing and moisturizing ingredient. Coconut oil is also naturally antibacterial and antifungal, making it a great choice for those with acne-prone skin. Mix equal parts ground coffee and coconut oil in a bowl until you have a paste-like consistency. Gently massage this scrub onto your face and body in circular motions, focusing on any dry or rough patches. Rinse it off with warm water and feel the difference. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and revitalized. Let's talk about anti-aging. We all want to age gracefully, and while we can't stop time, we can definitely nourish our skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This DIY anti-aging serum is like a magic potion for your skin, and it's incredibly simple to make. The star ingredient in our serum is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from free radical damage, which is one of the main causes of premature aging. It also helps to moisturize the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. We'll be combining our vitamin E oil with a carrier oil, which helps to dilute it and make it easier to apply to the skin. Some great carrier oil options for this serum include jojoba oil, almond oil, and rosehip oil. In a small bottle, combine a few drops of vitamin E oil with your carrier oil of choice. Gently shake the bottle to mix the oils together. Apply a few drops of this serum to your face and neck every night before bed, massaging it into your skin in upward motions. With regular use, you'll notice a visible difference in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. And there you have it. 4 easy, natural DIY beauty recipes that will leave your skin feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and radiant. Remember, beauty comes from nature. Try these tips and glow from within. We love hearing from you, so please share your own tips on beauty in the comments below. Let's create a community where we can all learn and grow together. Don't forget to subscribe to HFB.Lifestyle for more natural beauty hacks. We have so much more in store for you. Until next time, take care of yourselves and embrace your natural beauty.